Good morning, guys. So I am heading out to work, and look what I found. Snow. So it's like this is my neighborhood when it snows. Look at my footsteps. So oh, my car just shut off because I started earlier. Okay, wait. Oh, look at this. So I know already I have a lot of work to do when I get back from work. It depends on how much snow it falls. So I'm just gonna clean this little bit of snow, and that's not a lot compared to what we generally get, and head on to work. And hopefully the next time I see you, look at that mess. So guys, here I am at work, and I don't know if you see that video of the process I told you I'm gonna hate when it starts snowing. Well, this is my first day of hating that process. So I went and I got my little band so I can go to work, but I wasn't happy about it. I understand the safety thing, and you know, I have to do it, and I do it, but nothing's gonna stop me from complaining. So this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness. Wait, let's try that. Oh, look at Nancy coming. I leave her all by herself. So I get to go to work, and it was so much longer, the process this morning, because the walk seems so much longer with the snow on the ground. Okay, well, I am gonna go to work and get some work done now. Let's see. Hi guys, so it is 5:30 in the afternoon. I just got home, and my neighbors, they are just the sweetest neighbors ever, and look what they did. So I got home, and they must have done this for a while now. So they shut my walkway. Look at that. They have a snow blower, and look at that. You can see the wheels from the snow blower that they did my entire, and I have a long walkway. They shoveled my walkway, and look, even though you can tell that they did that area, even though the snow come back up on it. And this is something that they do on a regular. They are so super sweet. I've never lived anywhere before with neighbors that are just so kind. So they did that to there, and then not only turned this way, and they did this area as well. As generally, you know, people just do their own and gone about their business. Not my neighbors. They do mines whenever they do theirs too, which is super super sweet, and I can't thank them enough. I can't go over now because I see all their lights are off, so I'll make sure to check them in the morning or tomorrow evening to tell them thanks again for doing that. But I'm gonna make sure that I get my own snowblower this week, because even though they're really kind people and they're always helping me out, I kind of feel bad too, because they're an older couple, but they're super sweet. So, you know, hooray for great neighbors. Gotta love that. So guys, look what I found outside. In this package is the only thing I order is a stabilizer. So I'm pretty sure that's what's in it. I'm super excited. I've been wanting one of these for a while now, and then I kind of forget about it. until I was reminded again that I need one. I don't know how I do that, but I did. I thought about getting one, and then I kind of dismissed the thought, and then I decided to order it. So my sister ordered it for me, and look what's here. So let me just open this up. Oh, I went too deep. Oh, I like this case. Oh, it's kind of hard. It says, I like that case. Look at it. Let me just open this up. Gotta be careful. I like that it's all sealed in like that. I have no idea how to use this. I didn't even get the time out to research just yet how to use it. And I was kind of surprised when it mentioned something about battery, and when I'm trying to research it. How am I gonna get this out? I just hate when they pack things like they don't intend for you to take it out of the packet. Oh, there we go. It's not as hard. Oh, okay, because I know it says something about a carrying case, so I really don't know how to use this yet, but I'm excited. I'm gonna be learning how to use this, and the truth is I don't have the time right now. Oh, so this is the stand. I remember that from I remember this being the stand from the picture, so I guess you can put it in, screw it in, and then you can make it stand up if you want to do that when you're not. So yeah, and then it could stand like that. Oh, this is nice. I like it. And I guess, oh, I don't want to play with it too much until I get the chance to do it, but I know it have this UB card that needs to be charged. That's what I was saying. I was surprised when it said it needs to be charged. I don't know what I thought. I thought it was more like a tripod, but you can walk with it. I didn't know you need to charge it for it to keep your phone steady while you walk. And this, oh, I think this is for the bag. It comes with a carrying case. I don't know. So I know that's a lot of I don't know, but I only have, of course, the little book, which is gonna be handy, even though the truth be told, I probably just YouTube how to use it. I don't think I'm gonna take the time to read through this. And I'm trying to see if there's English in there, because I see a lot of different languages, but yeah, there's English in there somewhere. So this is it. So hopefully when I learn how to use this, I'll bring you guys great video that's not shaking and, you know, just shaking and making you dizzy. So I'm super excited to learn how this works. If I get the time to do it before the new year, you'll probably see the difference in my video. I'm gonna probably spend some time tonight, but I'm not sure because I'm doing Vlogmas. It's taking up a lot of my time, and as much as I'm enjoy doing it, this is not a complaint. It really takes a lot more time than I anticipated. So I'm just gonna learn how to use this so I can bring you great video. Thank you for watching. Have a good time. Bye.